good to stay here very long. We asked the people, we measured the sulfur dioxide level somewhat high, but it's very annoying to breathe it if you don't have a mask. So we ask people to move, don't stand in the cloud, but it comes and goes. So it's not really dangerous as it is, but it's not good to stay for a long time in it.
You grow up around like an active volcanic area always, so I mean, like, for the locals it's maybe not as crazy as like the foreigners, but I mean it's always cool and interesting.
I'm kind of scared. I don't know, like it's unpredictable, I guess, in a way, you know, so I'm always a little bit nervous going.
I guess I'm just amazed at the scale. I'm an engineering student, and seeing, you know, I'm thinking the kind of energy involved in propelling all that lava into the air and all that.
Yeah.